What kinds of water damage are covered in homeowners insurance? Are you confused about what water damage your homeowners insurance covers? Have you ever wondered if that burst pipe or flooded basement is protected under your policy? Today, I'm going to explain exactly what types of water damage are covered by your homeowners insurance and what types aren't. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how your insurance protects you when water strikes your home and the specific steps you need to take to ensure you're fully protected. Let's start with what is covered. Your insurance covers sudden and accidental water damage. This means damage that happens quickly and unexpectedly, without warning. A burst pipe in winter that floods your walls is covered. The same goes for a broken water heater that suddenly floods your basement. Your insurance will pay for damage to walls, floors, and personal items. This includes replacing damaged drywall, carpet, furniture, and even family photos or electronics that get damaged by the water. Overflows are also covered. If your toilet or sink overflows and floods your bathroom, you're protected. Even if your bathtub overflow drain fails and damages the ceiling below, insurance helps with repairs. This protection extends to damage in multiple rooms, so if that overflow ruins both your upstairs bathroom and the ceiling of your living room below, both areas are covered. Storm damage is covered too. If a tree breaks your roof and rain pours in, insurance will help. This includes damage from high winds that let water into your walls and ice dams that force water under your shingles. Coverage includes not just the immediate damage, but also protection against mold that might develop in the following days. Here's a real example. Last winter, one of our clients had an ice dam that caused water to seep under their shingles. The water damaged their ceiling, insulation, and even some electrical wiring. Their insurance covered the entire repair, which came to over $15,000. But not everything is covered, and these exclusions catch many homeowners by surprise. Slow leaks that cause damage over time aren't protected. That dripping sink that's been rotting your cabinets for months, you'll need to fix that yourself. The same goes for that tiny foundation crack that's been letting in moisture for years. Here's something many homeowners don't realize. Flood damage isn't covered by regular homeowners insurance. You need separate flood insurance for damage from storms, melting snow, or overflowing rivers. This is crucial because about 25% of flood claims happen in low to moderate risk areas. Let me share another important detail. Insurance covers the damage caused by water, but not the source. If your dishwasher breaks and floods the kitchen, insurance pays for the damaged floor, but not the new dishwasher. The same applies to broken pipes, faulty water heaters, or any other appliance that causes water damage. The average water damage claim costs about $11,000, which is why having the right coverage is so important. Here are 4 essential steps to protect your home. Review your policy carefully and understand your coverage limits. Add water backup coverage to protect against sewer and drain problems. Consider getting flood insurance, especially if you're in a flood-prone area. Here's a money-saving tip. Many insurance companies offer discounts if you install smart water detection systems. These devices can detect leaks early and automatically shut off your water, potentially saving thousands in damage. Reach out to our experienced team for a free, no-obligation insurance review. We'll help you understand your current coverage and identify any gaps in protection. Stay protected and stay informed. Thank you for watching.